There's a lawsuit where the Petito family is suing the Laundries, and it just was released that the judge calls Brian Laundrie's family's alleged actions callous and cruel and denies the motion to dismiss the suit. The Petito family's civil lawsuit will proceed to trial. We're going to go over that, and also I'm going to be posting the letter that Brian wrote that was found, where his remains were found. It's hard to read the actual letter, but I am going to go over what the letter actually says. And also, it was said that Roberta Laundrie wrote a letter to Brian and wrote it in the letter to burn the letter or destroy it after, which he did not. And the FBI has their hands on that. And I'm going to share the video of the Petito's lawyer talking about that letter. So, a Florida Circuit Court judge has denied a motion to dismiss the civil lawsuit filed by the family of Gabby Petito against Brian's family.
A Florida Circuit Court judge has denied a motion to dismiss the civil lawsuit filed by the family of Gabby Petito against Brian Laundrie's family. According to the filing, which was obtained by People, Christopher Laundrie and Roberta Laundrie exhibited extreme and outrageous conduct. It continued that their behavior under the circumstances was beyond all possible bounds of decency. The filing added the family's alleged actions were shocking, atrocious, and utterly intolerable in a civilized community. Now the lawsuit will proceed to trial. It alleges that Christopher and Roberta Laundrie knew the whereabouts of Gabby's body during the time in which authorities were pouring resources into a massive missing persons investigation. Gabby's parents, Joseph Petito and Nicole Schmidt, are also seeking more than $30,000 in damages for the mental anguish they suffered due to the alleged deceit of the Laundries. The March filing also alleges that Christopher and Roberta helped Brian conceal Gabby's murder and were making plans for him to flee the country. The suit further claims that rather than helping Joseph and Nicole locate their daughter, the Laundrie parents went on vacation with Brian, ignoring their pleas for help. The Laundrie family sought to dismiss the case, arguing that they were not obligated to disclose any information they knew about their son or Gabby. While the judge agreed to that point, they also said that other actions they are accused of were, quote, particularly callous and cruel. The Petito and Laundrie families entered the national spotlight in the summer of 2021, when Gabby's parents reported her missing after she stopped responding to messages while on a cross-country road trip with Brian. It was soon revealed that Brian had quietly abandoned the trip early and returned to his parents' house in Florida without Gabby. Her body was found in September, and her death was ruled a homicide.
The Laundrie family sought to dismiss the case, saying they were not obligated to disclose any information they knew about their son or Gabby. Judge Hunter Carroll agreed that the Laundrie family was not required to speak about the case, but said the other actions they were accused of were particularly callous and cruel. If the facts of this case were truly about silence with no affirmative action by the Laundries, the court would have resolved this case in the Laundries' favor on the concept of the lack of legal duty for the Laundries to act. Had the Laundries truly stayed silent, the court would have granted the motion to dismiss in the Laundries' favor, but they did not stay silent. The judge seemed to be referring to a statement that the Laundrie family issued on September the 14th, before Gabby's body was found. The statement issued through their lawyer said, "It is our understanding that a search has been organized for Miss Petito in or near Grand Teton National Park in Wyoming. On behalf of the Laundrie family, it is our hope that the search for Miss Petito is successful and that Miss Petito is reunited with her family." Judge Carroll stated in his decision that if the Petito family's allegations in their civil complaint are correct and they knew Gabby was dead, the Laundrie statement was particularly callous and cruel, and it is sufficiently outrageous to state claims for intentional infliction of emotional distress. So basically he's saying that they knew that she was already deceased, but yet they were saying through their lawyer that, oh, well, we hope you find her.